Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fast and Fun English.
Hey guys, it's so nice to see you again.
How are you doing today, Leo?
Hmm. I'm good now, but earlier this week I felt a bit down.
Oh, what happened?
I failed something I worked hard on. It really made me think a lot.
I see. Failure can be tough.
Yeah. But then something changed. I had a conversation that helped me see failure in a completely new way.
Really? What kind of conversation?
That's what I want to talk about today.
You know, Leo, everyone fails sometimes.
Yes, but when it happens to me, it feels worse.
I understand. When we fail, we think we're the only ones, but we're not.
Exactly. When I failed my driving test last year, I felt terrible.
Oh no, what happened?
I was so nervous that I forgot to turn on the signal light. Twice.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
Yeah, but I felt embarrassed. I thought I was bad at everything.
But you passed later, right?
Yes, on my second try. And that's the thing. Sometimes failure is just step one.
True. You can't learn to walk without falling first.
So this week, I had something similar. I tried to start a new project at work.
Oh, that sounds exciting. What kind of project?
I wanted to design a small app for language learners. Something fun.
That's perfect for you.
Yeah, but it didn't work out. My code had bugs, my idea wasn't clear, and my boss said it needed more structure.
Ouch, that hurts.
It really did. I worked so hard, and then it failed.
What did you do after that?
Honestly, I wanted to give up. I thought, maybe I'm just not good enough.
I think we've all had that feeling.
Yeah. But then, I talked to my uncle.
What did your uncle say?
He told me something simple but powerful. He said, failure doesn't mean you're bad. It means you're learning faster than others.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. He told me, every time I fail, I collect experience, like coins in a video game.
I love that. Experience coins.
Right? He said, if you keep collecting, you'll level up.
That's such a good way to think about it.
It really changed how I saw my failure. Instead of feeling stupid, I felt like I was growing.
You know, that's what teachers call a growth mindset.
Growth mindset?
Yes, it means you believe you can improve through effort and time.
So failure isn't the end, it's part of growth.
Exactly. Every mistake teaches you something new.
That reminds me of when I learned English.
Tell me.
I used to say, I am boring, instead of I am bored.
Oh, classic mistake.
People thought I was weird, but every time I made that mistake, I remembered it better.
And now you're teaching English too.
Yep. See? Failure is just part of the story.
You know, sometimes failure isn't big. It's small things every day.
Like forgetting your keys.
Or burning toast.
Or sending a message to the wrong group chat.
Oh no, I've done that.
But even small failures can teach us patience or focus.
True. I think small failures prepare us for bigger success.
Yeah. If you learn from a small mistake, you can handle bigger ones later.
But sometimes failure still hurts a lot.
Yes, it can feel heavy.
Like when a dream doesn't come true.
Yeah, or when someone says no to something you really wanted.
I know that feeling.
The truth is, pain is part of learning.
Yes, but we don't stay in pain forever.
Exactly. We stand up, take a breath,
and try again.
Like pressing continue after losing in a game.
Yes, we keep playing.
So, what did you learn from your project experience?
I learned that failing once doesn't mean I should stop. It means I need to plan better next time.
That's great.
I also learned to ask for help earlier. I was afraid to look weak, but asking questions helped me improve faster.
That's so true. Sometimes being brave means saying, I don't know.
Yes, and my uncle said something else that really stayed with me.
What was it?
He said, failure is feedback, not a final score.
Wow. That's powerful.
Yeah, failure tells you what's missing, not that you can't do it.
I think every failure hides a message.
Yeah, sometimes the message is not yet.
I like that. Not no, just not yet.
My uncle also said, if you fail now, it means your future success will be bigger.
He sounds like a wise man.
He really is. He failed 3 businesses before starting a successful one.
3?
Yeah, but he said each failure taught him something he couldn't learn in books.
Real experience is the best teacher.
Now, when I fail, I try to ask, what is this teaching me?
That's a great question.
It helps me stay calm. Instead of saying, why me, I say, what now?
That's a powerful mindset shift.
Yeah, it's like turning pain into power.
Or turning mistakes into motivation.
Exactly.
You know, your story can help many people.
You think so?
Yes, everyone fails, but not everyone talks about it.
True. We only see people's success, not the failures behind it.
Yeah, social media shows the best moments, not the hard ones.
But behind every success, there are 100 small failures.
Exactly. So let's remind people failing is okay.
Yes, it means you're trying.
You know, my grandmother used to say something like that too.
What did she say?
If you never fail, you never really live.
Wow, that's true.
Every time I make a mistake, I remember her words and feel better.
That's beautiful, Anna.
So, Leo, that conversation with your uncle really changed your view on failure.
Yes, it turned something heavy into something hopeful.
I love that. From I failed to I'm learning.
Exactly.
I think we should all remember that every failure is just part of the path.
Right. A long path full of lessons, not dead ends.
So, friends, if you failed recently, remember, you're not alone.
Every great success story begins with a few failures.
And failure doesn't define you. What you do after it does.
Keep learning, keep going, and keep believing in yourself.
Because every mistake is just practice for something amazing.
And, as my uncle said, failure is feedback, not a final score.
Beautiful words to end with.
Thank you.
And thank you, everyone, for watching Fast and Fun English.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's talk.
Remember, mistakes help us grow.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.